I say I want to address my old friend, and you know who I'm talking about. Please, Uhuru Kenyatta, you are not going to become legitimate by persecution of Kenyans. I'm just one case. You will not become legitimate by persecuting me or anybody else. Legitimacy is gotten from the people of Kenya. And please, you cannot force yourself on anybody. You cannot. There's nothing any of us are doing that are outside the law. Nothing. We are exercising our democratic rights as enshrined in the Constitution. So we are here. If we are meant to appear in court tomorrow, my lawyers will tell me, we will appear. But I want to assure you, dawn is very near. Very, very near. Please rest assured it is very near.